Welcome all. Let's see what is healing. All living beings made up of energy, that is divine or universal life force energy. Nature has given gift of self-healing ability to all living beings, animal and human at the time of birth for survival and gets rid of diseases. What is healing? The healing involves the transfer of energy. In other words, it is not from the healer, him or herself, but the healer links with universal or divine energy to channel healing for the mind, body, and spirit. Healing is the process of the restoration of health from an unbalanced, diseased, damaged living being. The benefit of healing can be to cure the cause of health challenge. A large part of the healing journey concentrate on emotional and mental healing. It is important that we have to take care of our emotional well-being. Healing allows us to reclaim our power. It gives us the opportunity to fit the pieces back together in such a way so that we are stronger than ever before. Healing is a continuous process. When one layer gets healed, another comes into front and presents different set of symptoms and healing continues. Never attach to result of healing in specific manner. Always take benefit from healing and live life peacefully. Healing is an individual experience. Some people feel nothing at all. Others describe sensations of moving energy, deep relaxation, feelings of being supported and nurtured, or visions of images and colors. Some people experience an emotional release such as tears, or they may develop insight into specific areas of their lives. According to the nature and the depth of the problem, time and effect varies for an individual. Each pit is of a different size and one requires to work more or less to fill it up. One requires to learn continuously till the pit is filled completely. There are several healing modalities. Respect all the healing modalities. Each modality has its place and purpose in the universe. There are several healing modalities you can see here. Alternative medicine focuses on cause and prevention, overall health, and non-traditional, often natural treatments. When a modality is chosen by a person, it plays its role in the healing process. All that comes in a way of process has its contribution. Hence, it is important neither to berate nor to boost any modality. It is essential to respect each and every modality. It is important to understand individual system. What had worked with one person may not work with another, as belief systems of both are plays important role while receiving healing. Healers are only channels to deliver a purpose. They only perform their role. In healing, no credits, no blames, or no false commitments should be given to anyone. Alternate or holistic healing considers a person as a whole. The goal is to have everything functioning in the best way that it can, and to have mind, body, and spirit connected. Holistic health asks that people take responsibility for their own choices in order to improve their own health. In healing, faith is very important. In healing, it is very essential where the giver and receiver both have faith that it will work. This faith only allows divine intervention to be channeled through the healer into the person who is being healed. Healing is our birthright. Everything is working for our highest good only, even if we don't feel it. When we surrender to energy, it will help us miraculously. Just keep unshakable faith and trust on divine process and timing. Thank you for watching our video. Like and share, subscribe our YouTube channel Divine Creation. Stay connected with us.